Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can pay bills in Bank of America app. So let's jump right in. Step 1. Begin by logging into your Bank of America online banking account. Use your secure login credentials, your user ID, and password to access your account. Step 2. Once you're on the account's overview page, locate the top menu and click on the Pay and Transfer tab. This section gives you access to all your transfer and bill payment options. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select Pay Bills. This will take you to the Bill Pay dashboard, where you can see all your saved payees and manage your scheduled payments. Step 4. Here, you'll find a list of all the payees you've previously added. Choose the payee you want to send a payment to. Then, select the Pay From account, the account you want the funds to be withdrawn from. Please note that if you haven't added a payee yet, you'll need to do that first. You can refer to the Adding Payees to Bill Pay demo to get started. Also, under each payee, you can access helpful tools like activity history, reminders, autopay, and eBills. Simply click on any of these options to view or make changes. Step 5. Next, enter the payment amount and choose a delivery date the day you want the payment to reach your payee. You can repeat this process for as many payees as you need. Once everything is filled out correctly, click on Make Payments. Be sure that if you want your payments to be made automatically, you can enable autopay to schedule recurring payments for a fixed amount on the dates you choose. Step 6. After submitting the payment, you'll see a confirmation screen letting you know your payment was successfully scheduled. You have the option to print a copy of the payment details for your records before logging out. When you're ready, click Return to Payment Center to go back to the Bill Pay dashboard.